doing a reinstall of the Dometic 320 toilet. The other one, the seal is not holding, has not been holding. I've replaced the seal several times. I've tried putting plumber's grease on it and Vaseline on it and seal conditioner, and none of that stuff has worked. The new one came in. Actually, this is the second new one. And as you can see, the seal does not look centered in the bowl. I'm going to take a chance and go ahead and install it, because I think the seal not being centered is the reason the other one kept leaking. But I'm going to install it, test it out, and cross my fingers. Okay, this is the existing 320. And as you can see, the seal does not look like it's centered in there. But I will find out. The only tool that I'm going to need is a 7/16 wrench, because I cannot manually unscrew the water line from the back. When I installed this one, I actually, I don't know if you can see it, installed a valve back here to shut off water. Of course, the water is actually off because we're parked at home right now. So let me get things set up, and I'll get this one out and the new one in. Okay, so I'm going to start by removing the water line, which I haven't had water turned on here, and it has a couple of drops coming out of it. Okay. As you can see right here, there's a big old rubber band, and it's got end caps, new bolts, washers, and nuts to go into the flange to hold it in place. I am going to switch out to the new one. There is a, let's show you here, a seal on the bottom right here. It's already in place. Just need to make sure that that gets lined up and the bolts get lined up. And then we'll take the rubber band off the toilet seat. And that includes the installation instructions in there. It's a beautiful toilet. It's a very comfortable toilet. Hopefully this one does not leak. Okay, I've got the old toilet out, got the new bolts in place. Let's bring the new one in. That's going to be the trick, is setting it over the bolts without actually being able to see the bolts. one went in, the other one did not. Let's see if we can get that one in place. Okay. Put the washer. Let's start the nut. Washer. Start the nut. Tighten down each side a little bit at a time. Pull that seal in place. Okay, put the water line back on. All right, I'm gonna need some assistance here. So let me get somebody. Okay, getting ready to turn the water valve on. The water pump is on. There's no leaks. Okay, on the truth. Well, the water's staying in it for now. It is 1:25 in the afternoon. We'll come back and check it a little later. You can turn the water pump off. Okay, so it's been an hour and it's still holding water. Really excited about that. I tell you what, the people at Dometic have been great. I bought that 320 that was in here about a year and a half ago, and after trying everything that I could, replacing the seal countless times, tried Vaseline, tried plumber's grease, tried the outhouse from Pure Essence, I think, conditioner. Sometimes it would hold for a couple of weeks, but that was about it. So I contacted Dometic and they sent me out a new toilet. And the first one came in and it looked even worse than this as being out of center. So they told me to scrap it and they sent another one. And I decided, okay, this one still looks out of center. but I'm going to trust that they tested it, and they evidently did. So I put it in place, and it looks great. I'm really excited about it. So, Dometic, good people. If you enjoy watching our videos, please hit the subscribe button and like our channel, and hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime we got videos coming out. Thanks. Have a great day.